Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of percentages in Excel. Percentages are fundamental concept in many businesses and personal calculations, and Excel offers powerful tools to make these calculations a breeze. In this video, we'll show you how to calculate percentages automatically in Excel. So let's get started. Select all the range, then click here, or just use keyboard shortcut Ctrl and Q, then choose total, click here again, then total. So Excel automatically converts the numbers to percentages. This method is great when you have a large dataset and want to quickly convert the values without using formulas. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tutorials and valuable content. We'd love to hear your thoughts and any specific topics you'd like us to cover, so leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and remember to apply these percentage calculation techniques in your own Excel projects. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials, and we'll see you in the next video.